The Fujifilm X-Pro4 is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated release in the photography world. For years, Fujifilm has cultivated a loyal community of photographers who appreciate its unique blend of retro styling and cutting-edge digital technology. The X-Pro series in particular has stood apart as a symbol of Fujifilm's design philosophy, melding analog charm with modern performance. This isn't just another camera update. The X-Pro4 represents the continuation of a lineage that has helped redefine Fujifilm's identity in the mirrorless era. Expectations are high, and with rumors of a new sensor, advanced viewfinder technology, in-body image stabilization and smarter autofocus, it could be one of the most significant cameras in Fujifilm's modern history. The story begins with the original Fujifilm X-Pro1, released in 2012. At the time, Fujifilm's presence in the digital camera market was modest, and it wasn't clear if the company could compete with industry giants like Canon, Nikon and Sony. The X-Pro1 changed everything. It introduced the first X-Trans sensor, offering superior detail and reduced moire without an optical low-pass filter. More importantly, it was Fujifilm's first interchangeable lens mirrorless camera, laying the foundation for the acclaimed X-series system. Its mix of classic rangefinder styling and forward-looking technology captured the imagination of photographers worldwide. The success of the X-Pro1 gave Fujifilm the confidence to expand, eventually leading to the creation of both the X and GFX systems. Had it failed, Fujifilm's mirrorless ambitions might have ended before they began. Fujifilm followed up with the X-Pro2 in 2016, refining the formula with a new sensor and improved performance. 3 years later, in 2019, the X-Pro3 arrived, continuing the tradition but dividing opinion with its hidden LCD design. By this release pattern, the X-Pro4 should have appeared in late 2023 or early 2024. With no official announcement yet, speculation has grown. Some believe Fujifilm delayed it to ensure a meaningful leap forward. Others suggest the company might skip the number 4 altogether, considered unlucky in Japanese culture, and release an X-Pro5 instead, possibly in 2025. Whatever the name, fans remain confident that a successor is coming. One of the most exciting rumors surrounding the Fujifilm X-Pro4 is the inclusion of the 40.2 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5 HR sensor, already found in flagship APS-C models like the XT5 and XH2. This would mark a huge leap from the X-Pro3's 26 megapixel sensor, offering a higher resolution, greater cropping flexibility and sharper detail. Paired with the X-Processor 5, the new sensor promises faster performance, smarter autofocus and stronger low-light capability, potentially making the X-Pro4 one of the most capable APS-C cameras ever. For the first time in the series, the X-Pro4 is also rumored to feature in-body image stabilization, IBIS. This addition would be particularly valuable for street, travel and documentary photographers who often shoot handheld with lightweight prime lenses lacking built-in stabilization. Another defining feature of the series, the hybrid optical electronic viewfinder, is expected to be more advanced than ever. The electronic viewfinder may feature a 5.76 million dot OLED panel for sharper visuals, while the optical viewfinder could see improved frame lines and overlays for more accurate composition. This system continues to set the X-Pro line apart, offering the choice between the immediacy of an OVF and the precision of an EVF. The controversial hidden LCD of the X-Pro3 may also be retired. Reports suggest of the X-Pro4 will return to a more practical fixed or tilting display. allowing easier access to menus, playback, and touch controls while still maintaining a retro-inspired aesthetic. Finally, video performance is rumored to get a notable upgrade. The X-Pro4 may support 6.2K recording at 30 fps and multiple 4K and 2K options. Paired with improved subject tracking autofocus, these capabilities would position it as a more versatile hybrid tool, appealing to photographers who also want solid filmmaking performance. The longer than expected wait has puzzled many, but it could work in Fujifilm's favor. Rather than rushing out a modest refresh, the company seems intent on making the next model a true step forward. The X-Pro series has always represented the heart of Fujifilm's design philosophy, balancing heritage and innovation. A lackluster release could damage its reputation, so taking extra time may ensure the new model is more than just an incremental update. It becomes a statement camera. This deliberate pacing may also allow Fujifilm to refine not only hardware but also firmware features, color science, and user experience, elements that matter deeply to its community. By carefully aligning the X-Pro4 with modern demands such as hybrid shooting, improved connectivity, and workflow efficiency, Fujifilm has the chance to create a camera that feels both timeless and future-ready. In many ways, the wait signals confidence. Fujifilm isn't just filling a gap in its lineup, it's preparing to deliver a flagship that could define APS-C photography for years to come. The Fujifilm X-Pro4 is more than just another camera. It represents the continuation of a legacy that began with the groundbreaking X-Pro1. Over the years, the X-Pro line has become a symbol of Fujifilm's philosophy, respecting heritage while embracing innovation. With its rumored high-resolution sensor, in-body stabilization, refined hybrid viewfinder, and more practical LCD design, the X-Pro4 could deliver the most significant leap in the series yet. Whether it arrives as the X-Pro4 or takes on the name X-Pro5, one thing is clear: Fujifilm is preparing to deliver a tool that blends timeless analog charm with the advanced technology photographers expect in 2025. More than just a camera, it is shaping up to be a statement about what photography means in the modern era, an experience as much as a machine. For loyal fans and curious newcomers alike, the wait may not only be worth it, but transformative.